Time for cookies? Sheppy? Cookies? Boris, cookies? Is it time for cookies? Okay, where's Rocky? Rocky? Is it time for cookies? Yeah?
I think you could probably make a better one.
Okay, come on.
You did that one false alarm one.
Okay, cookies! It's time for cookies. Boris! You guys are boring. You usually don't act like this. Because Mama has a camera? All right.